Hello everyone, my name is Henry Perdomo and I'm from Bogota, Colombia. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, pasta with tomato and basil sauce. It's simple, delicious, and perfect for a quick meal. Let's get started. For this recipe we will need just a few ingredients. 200 grams pasta. I'm using spaghetti, but you can choose any type of pasta you like. Uh, to use ripe tomatoes. This will be that base of our sauce. Will garlic cloves too to add flavor to the sauce, and fresh basil leaves for that fresh aromatic touch. Olive oil, a couple of tablespoons for cooking, and salt and pepper to taste. These are all the ingredients we need. And now let's move on the presentation, on the preparation. First, we need to cook the pasta. Boil water in a large pot. Add some salt and cook the pasta until it's al dente. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta cooks, let's prepare the sauce. And now let's add some olive oil in a pan and add the minced garlic. Cook it for about 2 minutes until it's golden and fragrant. And next, we add the chopped tomatoes to the pan, stir them well and let them cook for 5 minutes until they start to break down into a sauce. Once the tomatoes are soft, we add the fresh basil leaves, give it a stir, add some salt and pepper, and let the flavors combine. Finally, draining the pasta and mix it with the sauce in the pan. Stir everything together, making sure the pasta is well cooked